Jain, I love you. Today we start our practical in which we observing permanent slides of mitotic cell division. Okay. So various phases of mitotic cell division observing in the permanent slide, and in these slides the characteristics of each phases I explaining you. Okay, so students observe in microscope and explain, understand me. Okay, so first of all we observe prophase. फर्स्ट इज अ प्रोफेज से पहले हमको स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा इंटरफेज फेज ऑफ माइटोटिक सेल डिवीजन. व्हाट इज द इंटरफेज ऑफ सेल डिवीजन? इंटरफेज क्या है? हु आस्क मी, हु टेल मी इंटरफेज इज अ रेस्टिंग स्टेज ऑफ टू सेल डिवीजन. ओके, सो दो सेल डिवीजन के बीच की जो रेस्टिंग फेज है, इन दिस फेज नो एनी सेल डिवीजन ऑकर, ओनली सेल प्रिपेयर फॉर डिवीजन, सेल डिवीजन. ओके, एनी सेल प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर सेल डिवीजन के लिए प्रिपेयर होती है. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज इंटरफेज. मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी इंक्रीजेस, food material increases in this phase, DNA replicate and new photocopies computed in this phase, and new cell organs produces in this phase, and nucleus become large. Okay, next phase is the prophase phase. So one by one students come and observe slides. Yes, prophase phase is the first phase of mitotic cell division. In prophase cell division, nuclear membrane gets degenerated.
Hello.
In the prophase stage, my chromosomes become thicker and showing as a thread-like structure. Okay, and nuclear membrane get degenerated. Okay, and the nucleolus get degenerated in prophase phase. Second phase is a mitosis. प्रोफेज के बाद मेटाफेज इज द सेकेंड फेज ऑफ द माइटोटिक सेल डिवीजन. इन मेटाफेज स्टेज स्पिंडल फाइबर prepared and the chromosomes come between spindle fiber and attached to the spindle fiber. जो chromosomes होते हैं वो spindle fibers के बीच में आ जाते हैं और spindle fiber से attach हो जाते हैं या जुड़ जाते हैं. ओके, मेटाफेज स्टेज में. ओके, at a time you observe metaphase stage, and after then metaphase stage we observe anaphase stage. All students, you have observed metaphase stage.
Yes sir.
And after then we observe about anaphase stage. Take your seat. anaphase stage. Next stage we are observing about anaphase stage. In the anaphase stage, chromosomes get repulsed to each other. जो क्रोमोसोम होते हैं एक दूसरे से प्रतिकर्षित होते हैं and reach to each poles, और कहाँ जाते हैं? अपने अपने पोल की तरफ जाते हैं. Okay, so chromosomes showing in this stage L shape, J shape and U shape. Okay, half chromosomes reach to each of the poles. Okay, so observe students anaphase stage one by one. हाँ चलने देना फटाफट After anaphase stage, we observing about telophase stage. Telophase stage is very important in mitotic cell division. In this stage, each chromosomes reach completely their poles. Chromosome उनके poles पर पहुंच जाते हैं, and after that, nuclear membrane start the new nuclear membrane become completed, and nucleolus become completed, and chromosome change converted into chromatin net. Okay, in this stage. So students come and observe this stage one by one quickly. After telophase stage, we are observing about cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is a separation phase of the cell, because cell division completed in two steps. In first steps, nuclear divides, and in second steps, cytoplasm divides. Okay, so cytokinesis is a phase in which cytoplasm divides into two parts. Okay, in the cytokinesis stage, one cell plate formed, and half cell organelles divides in two parts, and each nucleus divides in each cells. Okay, so at least two daughter cells competed by one mother cell in the mitotic cell division, and nucleus is same as it is to their mother cell in mitotic cell division. Okay, Jai Hind all of you, and next practical will be continue